Hello everyone, this is Tanesh. I am here joined by Ms. Lipika Nyal from Strike Hive at our auspicious occasion of National Excellence Awards. And Lipika, how are you today?
I'm doing really good, thank you.
Lipika, please introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Lipika. I'm the founder and head coach of Strike Hive Martial Arts Academy, which is based out of Gurgaon. And yeah, that's about me.
So, can I please know how has your journey from a young martial artist to a coach and an entrepreneur shaped your philosophy today?
Yes, so my journey started 22 years ago as an athlete. I was a national champion, and then I represented India in World Championships. But at a very early stage, I realized that talent alone may not be enough. What we need is the right ecosystem. So my philosophy today is very simple. Build systems and processes which sustain, and not just focus on building only athletes, because it is better for them as well. With Strike Hive, we've been able to cater to 200 plus women, and we've trained them for self-defense, and we've achieved a 60-40 gender ratio, which is very rare in combat academies. We have created employment for multiple athletes and created structured pathways for people who want to join MMA. It could be a beginner or a competitive athlete.
I see. Lipika, according to you, what mindset shifts are needed in society to normalize women in combat sports?
Oh well, so the biggest mindset shift that we need is protection to empowerment.
Right.
Because we often tell women to be safe, but we don't teach them how to be able to do that.
Right.
So that is what we actually are trying to do with Strike Hive. We've empowered more than 200 women, as I mentioned, in self-defense, so that they can save themselves in adversity.
Right.
And we have also created a very safe space for them. And this has not only increased participation, but it has also increased the career prospecting in the sport.
I see. Lastly, I want to ask you one thing. What problem does Strike Hive solve that traditional academies don't?
All right, so the traditional academies, sometimes they predominantly focus on serious athletes,
Right.
But with MMA, with Strike Hive, we are trying to position MMA as a very effective and engaging form of fitness as well. So we are able to open our academy to a wider audience. We are welcoming beginners, we are welcoming fitness enthusiasts, and especially women. And that is how we are able to attain a successful and sustainable long-term growth.
I see.
Yes.
Again, I would like to congratulate you on
Thank
your
you so
award today.
much.
And I wish you all the best in your journey ahead. And thank you so much.
Thank you so much,
Thank you.
Tanesh. Thank